everyone, I'm Ria. I'm a product designer at Neva.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm also a product designer at Neva. I've been here for like a year, or actually more than a year, working on growth as well as personalization.
I've been here for about 8 months working on the mobile app and potentially the tablet app. I really like the vision of Neva, especially the idea of introducing an alternative business model different from our current ad-supported search model.
Yeah, and I think with the mission, especially since our mission is very user-centric, and especially as like designers, like we always optimize for designing for users, right? We always think about like, oh, how might a user get from point A to point B? How might our overall experience like help them achieve their goals? In a normal search engine with search engines having a history of like having like sponsored ads and whatnot, like trying to accommodate for businesses, like our mission is completely different, where our sole focus is really on the users, and that's why it's just, yeah, that's what's drawn me here, and especially working with talented people like Ria. Okay, so what is personalization right now? So personalization right now, we're kind of tackling the tip of the iceberg. So far, we're tackling it right now on Towards News, where whenever you search any trending news topic that is coming up or that has happened, you can have a chance to actually like re-rank your results. So for example, if you really prefer the New York Times, you can just indicate that onto Neva, and the next time when you go back to your search results, New York Times will be re-ranked a little bit higher or in your top 5. Because we know that at Neva, that is the source that you prefer more. Hopefully, as like time goes on and we learn more about our users and we learn more about their habits, we can have that ability to actually like expand it full out. Like for example, we can flesh out more for recipes, for shopping, for scholarly sources. That way, like you can have that ability to quickly be like, okay, so when I go on to search, like I immediately know I want like maybe some like indie small shop brand that I actually personally like, and I'll know that like when I search up like summer dress, like I can immediately see that when I go on to Neva. And that's something that we're trying to hopefully do, but that obviously does take time and a ton of like researching and looking at users' habits just to understand how we can improve our experience just for users.
The Neva app currently looks like a standard browser, just like how other popular browsers would look like. They work similarly, and it can feel very familiar and intuitive to start using the Neva app. In the future, we want it to be different and more exciting. Obviously, it's hard to balance between innovations and intuitiveness because, as I said, people are familiar with the way browsers currently work. They've been using their browsers for so long that they learned to use it very well. So if we introduce something that's too different, it might feel challenging to learn. For us, we have a lot of very innovative and very exciting features that we hope can make search and browsing much better than what it currently is. But it has to be a step by step, and we need to be very careful in how we introduce this to our users. I've always been very excited about the tab manager, which is what I'm currently working on. So we have a vision that eventually we wanted the tab manager to be more like your Neva OS. Because like in the past, apps are treated pretty well by the mobile system, mobile OS. So like on your iPhone, you can use your home screen to access your apps, organize your apps, and get to like anything you want. But browsers have been treating websites like a second-class citizen. They're not very well organized. Many people have a lot of open tabs, like 10 or more, and it can be such a pain to juggle between your different tabs and find where you want it to go. The Neva browser and Neva in general, we wanted to be able to make websites a first-class citizen just as apps are.
I think as Ria also talked about, because we are having our mission very user-centric, ad-free, personalized to the user, how we can also change that through search as well as through how we design, like for example, confident searches. So for example, when it comes with if you are looking for a place to travel, where you can type in a 2-night stays at Yosemite as a query in Neva, and then where we could showcase like very visual results, but through Airbnb and through Verbo, all on the search results page without even going into the site. Through there, you can have a process of elimination on which source you prefer more of, or like which ones based off of the visuals you find is more enticing. And that way, like, we can also help you get to the information faster by displaying those confident results there.
And that is our vision.
Yeah, that is the vision.
We always wanted Neva to be a platform or like an ecosystem.
Yeah, exactly.
Where third-party websites and content providers can benefit with us together. So like we're not exploiting their content.
Yeah.
We'll have partnership with them. We'll share revenue. I think we already have plans going on for that.
Yeah, like we're working with like Medium on that, Consumer Reports, Reddit as well, and Quora, and like we've been working on how together we can showcase the information that like users are looking for on Quora, on Medium, and putting that onto Neva as well. So yeah. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification bells on when we make another video like this.
Follow us for more upcoming cool videos.
Bye!